Hey guys, this is Carissa and welcome back to my YouTube channel Inky Fairy Designs. Now I have an unboxing video for you today, and I know I don't normally do these. I don't want you to think that my channel is going to suddenly become filled with unboxing videos, because it's not. But Crafter's Companion contacted me a few weeks ago and asked if I wanted to check out their Gemini FoilPress machine. It's brand new, just released today, exclusively on HSN, and this is actually the bundle that you can get today on HSN. So if you're interested, the link is in my description box. It's not an affiliate link or anything. It's just going to take you directly to HSN so that you can check it out and see the amazing deal. And it's only today, November 6th. So you get everything in this box to get started using the FoilPress machine. It's like a platform, and it's meant to be used in conjunction with the other Gemini cutting machines, whether it's the regular Gemini or the Gemini. It's actually really meant for the Gemini Junior, but if you get like the special extending plate, you can use it with the full-size Gemini if that's what you have. So you get these special dies that are meant to be used with the FoilPress. So some of them are the FoilPress dies, which they emboss and foil on your cardstock or your paper or ribbon, lots of different surfaces that you can use this with. And then you also have the foil stamp and cut dies, and those actually, like it says, they foil and emboss, and they also cut. So there's the machine. It's meant, you plug it in. It's really surprisingly light, and that platform kind of pops off, and you run it through using the little plate on top with your little, you use your sandwich, you put your cardstock, your foil, run it through the Gemini Junior, and voila, you have some really cool foiled designs. So you get three three little rolls of foil. There's 2 extras in the HSN pack, the bundle today, and then you get all the other accessories like the finger protectors. That's what those little feet looking things are, and then this kind of silicone pad to put your hot dies on, and then you get extra dies as well to get started. So it's a great bundle, great value. I've been playing around with it, and personally, because I don't have any other foil die or foil machine in my craft room, not one. So I don't really have anything to compare it to, but I think it's pretty awesome. And if you want to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, I'm going to be sharing some projects that I have made with this machine, as well as going live and doing some makes with it as well. So you can check out those links below, but I'd love it if you'd subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you want to see some more videos using this machine, what you think about it, and a huge thanks to Crafter's Companion for thinking of me and asking me to check out this new machine. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.